A former Pakistani official said that China's focus on springing up domestic demand to boost its GDP growth is very heartening to see. Last month, China announced the expansion of domestic demand will be one of the focuses for the country's prudent monetary policy.
In a time when the rest of the world is speaking about recession, about revival, about contraction, China's focus on actually, spurring up domestic demand and increasing its GDP growth is very heartening to see for the future of China. And in the top priorities, actually the revival of economy and opening up the markets, it was highlighted as one of the major priorities. Also, the stability within China will remain a priority. China's growth will be more equitable and people-centric, and the quality of life will improve through modernization. Now, if we look at this Purchasing Managers Index, which is issued by the Chinese government, we very clearly see trends that message is being translated into numbers. We see the rebound of the manufacturing sector, which is higher than last year. It's almost 12.8% month-to-month increase is being shown. We have seen a phenomenal increase of investment by people in the tourism sector. People are enjoying them, and that was expected that domestic tourism will go up, and this report very clearly indicates towards it that not only regional tourism, but overall purchasing demand indices are showing increase in terms of shopping, in terms of people reaching out to retail. Now that is leading to the domestic demand